A day after Manipur's Chief Minister N. Biren Singh submitted his resignation, the clock is ticking for the Bharatiya Janata Party to come up with a replacement. The last session of the Manipur Assembly was on August 29th. It was a one-day session which lasted less than 1 hour, and the constitution is very clear. You have to hold the next assembly session within 6 months. So which means by end of this month, the next session of Manipur Assembly will have to be called in. Already the governor, through his notice that was given yesterday, through his order yesterday, declared null and void the previous decision by way of which the budget session of the Manipur Assembly had been called. So now the threat of the Assembly going into suspended animation is looming large. However, sources are indicating that there could be meetings by the central leadership with all concerned once again. The Kuki MLAs who have been completely opposed to N. Biren Singh, the Meitei MLAs, the dissident camp led by the Speaker and the Panchayati Raj Minister who were threatening to vote along with the Congress if this session was called in the no confidence motion, as well as Biren Singh supporters. The central leadership wants to meet all of them. Sambit Patra, the Bharatiya Janata Party MP, who is the Northeast coordinator, is in Imphal. So these meetings are going on to try and see if there can be any consensus candidate who emerges as a replacement for Biren Singh. But there's a lot of indication that for now, Manipur might be headed towards governor's rule. The first step for that will be Governor Ajay Bhalla's report to the centre. That is expected in the next 2-3 days about the situation as it is unfolding in terms of numbers, in terms of law and order, overall state of affairs in Manipur. Once that report is submitted to the Ministry of Home Affairs, the Ministry of Home Affairs could then recommend to the President that governor's rule be imposed, followed by President rule. That gives the centre a little more time to start rebuilding Manipur. Already some initiatives have been taken under the leadership of Governor Ajay Bhalla, who's just been sent to Manipur in December 2024. 24th of December is when his order came. So in the last 1.5 months, already some steps have been taken as far as border fencing is concerned between Manipur and Myanmar, as far as making bureaucratic and police-related changes in the hill districts as well as in the valley is concerned. So the government, the central government, does not want to let go of that momentum, does not want to sacrifice that momentum at the altar of political compulsions. So for now, indication seems to be that the government could well go ahead, keep the assembly in suspended animation, bring in governor's rule, and at the opportune time see if a consensus candidate emerges from within the Bharatiya Janata Party who can then be taken over, who can then take over as the next chief minister of Manipur. There's also this sense at the centre that N. Biren Singh cannot be ignored and sidelined completely. So to take him along is also important. The reason why the centre is wanting to speak to all stakeholders. As far as prevailing peace in Manipur is concerned, they're hoping that now that Biren Singh is out of the picture, if the governor's rule is imposed for a little time, then it gives the centre time to convince the Kuki side also to come back to the talking table, to let go of their one-point demand of a separate union territory or a separate administrative division, something that the Meiteis are completely opposed to. So the centre is weighing the current situation. It is weighing the current scheme of things, law and order wise as well, and a decision could be taken by the end of the budget session of Parliament. It ends on 13th. There's a very high likelihood that by the time the budget session of the Parliament gets over, the centre could decide on what next for Manipur.
The last hour. Anything can happen between the bells. But what happens during the last hour is what matters the most. The biggest market swings. A close-up look at what's driving them. And how the investors are reacting. Watch the most seasoned market mavens guide you through the most important hour of the trading day. NSE Closing Bell. At these times, only on CNBC TV 18 and CNBCTV18.com.
For more news and updates, all you need to do is follow CNBC TV 18 on all of our digital platforms.